This is an update on the video of large raised garden, and I just wanted folks that had seen that video before to see how things have turned out. Got a little rock cairn there, stones that were left over from when I built this brand new stone steps going up into our bamboo. But we've got some plants in that were transplants and others that were new. This is a new plant that my wife had me put in. I have no idea what it is. It was quite nice. These are some lily of the valley transplants from an area way down there past the end of this walkway going here. They were planted right in there and they never did anything. They came up every year and no flowers. So we're hoping with more sun here and a different soil that they would do better. This is a fern. Looks to me like the beginnings of a holly fern. It was growing behind the azalea under our den windows. There is a holly fern there doing excellent. So this is a transplant of probably from that mother plant. And then another transplant we have here is some hosta. And if you look and see that hose connection, spigot and whatnot, that hosta was growing right under there. So we moved it out from there. Look at this hosta. Woo. But anyway, back to the bed we were looking at. And the other thing that we have put in is this really nice Japanese maple. Believe it or not, I went to a Japanese maple sale, a one-day only sale set up in a church parking lot in downtown Raleigh. And they had Japanese maples for sale in the price range starting at $10 all the way up into the hundreds. So I bought 2 of these, gave one to a family we know, and we kept one and planted it in our new large raised garden bed. Now, we had thought at one time we were going to have a water element there, but instead we put it over there. I'm cleaning that, don't have the fountain in it currently. But other than all the little teeny red maple tree seedlings coming up that I'll just weed out later, there is how the large raised bed turned out. And as you can see, we have plenty of room to plant other things as we need. Like we could move that rock cairn out and put something else in there. But there you have it. Happy planting.